You stop at a red light, and suddenly the engine shuts off. Your first thought, wait, is this damaging my engine? Manufacturers say idling wastes fuel. By shutting the engine off at stops and restarting it only when needed, the start-stop system can improve fuel economy by 5 to 10% and reduce emissions. On paper, it sounds like a smart idea. Here's the problem. The most stressful moment for an engine is startup. Oil pressure is briefly low, the starter motor works hardest, the battery drains more power, and with start-stop, this happens dozens of times a day. So drivers ask the same question: can my car really handle this long-term? To be fair, automakers expected these concerns. That's why start-stop cars use reinforced starter motors, high-capacity AGM or EFB battery sensors that disable the system if conditions aren't safe. Under ideal conditions, the system itself isn't dangerous. The real issue is how you drive. If you take short trips, drive mostly in city traffic, plan to keep your car long-term, then battery replacements, starter wear and repair costs can outweigh fuel savings. That's why many mechanics quietly say, just turn it off. The start-stop system isn't a bad invention, but for long-term owners and city drivers, disabling it may actually protect your car. More stories coming daily.